Welcome back to my channel. My name is Farid Monyas and we are back again. In today's video, kita nak cakap balik pasal Amara perfumes. So basically, yang video yang I dah post before this is for men's. However, in today's video, we're going to speak about ladies fragrances. So basically, there are 5 in total. I akan rankkan diorang daripada 5 sampai 1, worst and best. So basically, korang kena stay until the end because this video might be very beneficial to all of you if you love local fragrances. At the same time, if you love fragrances, you love to smell great, and if you love to get compliments, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more fragrance related content in the future. Without wasting any time, let's jump start with the first one in the list. This one is Flora Rossa. Okay, the reason this one is at the number 5 spot because it is a little bit too synthetic in my opinion. Yeah, it smells a little bit cheap in my opinion. I hate to say that, but you will still get a lot of compliments with this one because it is very mass appealing, really attract a lot of people. If you walk past anyone, they will turn heads towards you. At the same time, kalau korang minat something yang very strong on part of the citruses, bau-bau fresh, tapi korang nak juga bau-bau yang floral, korang boleh try this one. Tapi dia punya dry down dia memang strong on part of the citruses in my opinion. Very sharp, very piercing. Tapi the opening, once korang spray, korang akan dapatkan bau yang macam floral, dia macam well balanced. Tapi after a while, korang akan dapat citruses dia yang lagi kuat. Okay, so kalau korang minat bau yang macam ni, korang boleh try. At the same time, in my opinion, it is good for you to wear this one in the humid weather macam kita dekat Malaysia ni kan, so macam panas. So basically, it might be very useful. At the same time, it might works just as fine as you think it should be. So number 5 spot, this one is Flora Rossa. And the number 4 spot, this one is none other than Ecstasy. Ecstasy is a very sweet, fruity fragrance for the ladies. So basically, in my opinion lah kan, I think this one dia lebih sesuai kepada ladies yang dekat sekolah, yang macam masih sekolah, masih high school, masih college, still studying. At the same time, they don't want to break the bank, they don't nak spend too much on part of fragrances, tapi dia orang nak bau macam yang a little bit girly, yang very girly, very sweet, yang attract a lot of guys to be the talk of the town. They want to be center of attraction. Dia orang nak attention from the boys. Korang macam ladies macam kat sekolah, korang boleh try ni because it is very bubblegummy sweet, yang level yang kalau korang makan bubble gum, korang buka yang sweet tu, macam tu lah bau dia. At the same time, it is very fruity, like very strong punch of fruitiness. At the same time, ia memang very sweet lah in my opinion. So kalau korang minat perfume yang sweet, perfume yang very girly, so boleh try this one. But listen to me, this one is better to be worn by the ladies yang masih sekolah. Alright, this one is Ecstasy. And the number 3 spot, this one is a simple fragrance. This one is Vanilla Ven. Alright, Vanilla Ven. Alright, the reason this one is at the number 3 spot because it is unique, but the uniqueness is not something that will attract a lot of people, but I have to appreciate it, so I have to put it at the number 3 spot. This fragrance is a domination of almond. So kalau korang suka makan kacang almond tu, korang makan kacang almond, korang buka container and you smell it straight away, this is how the fragrance would smell like. So basically, perfume ni dia lebih kuat dengan almond. At the same time, dia ada buttery iris yang coated around the scent, yang buat dia lagi refined, much more exclusive, much more beautiful in my opinion. It lingers very good. I love it. And dia ada and dia ada macam caramel. Dia punya dry down, dia punya caramel very dense, very sexy, very edible, gourmand-ish kind of a fragrance. This one is a good one in my opinion, but still I have to put it at the number 3 spot because the opening of the almond in my opinion is a little bit too much, a little bit too strong. So I wish the caramel take over much earlier than it should be. Sebab dia punya caramel dia a little bit lambat sikit nak keluar. So yeah, this one is what is this one? This one is Vanilla Ven. The next one in the list, this one is Honey Flora. Dapat ke tak? Wow, alright, Honey Flora. Okay, this one is at number 2 spot. In my opinion, dia macam, yes, in my opinion, it is a very good clone to certain fragrances yang I pernah bau before ni. I think it is a part of Hermes fragrances, or it's either Hermes or Narciso Rodriguez. It is a good white floral scent in my opinion. A little bit powdery, a little bit sweet by the honey itself, because the name says it all, honey flora. So you have a good floral notes, at the same time you have a very well coated honey around the scent. Dia macam dense tapi dia masih ada freshness, dia ada clean and fresh. Sebab dia punya jasmine in this fragrance is quite prominent as well. The cedar, the woodiness is very good. And this one smells super professional. If you want to have a fragrance yang korang pergi ke office, pergi kelas and whatnot, korang boleh try this particular fragrance. This one is Honey Flora. The last one in the list, this one is Vanillicious. Alright, Vanillicious is at the number 1 spot because to me it smells like black opium. It's either black opium or Sea Intense by Giorgio Armani. It's either those two, because this one is super gourmandy. I love it. It has vanilla, it has coffee, strong, dense, very appealing, very appealing in my opinion. And I think that this particular fragrance will get you a lot of compliments. At the same time, if you are that kind of a very dominant kind of a lady, you have your goals, you have your target, you know what you are doing, definitely this fragrance might be the one that might suit you best. The vanilla in this fragrance is super prominent. The vanilla, the coffee, the pear, it has a fruitiness, the patchouli as its background, at its base, as its powerful, strong domination on part of the fragrance, tapi dia punya vanilla and also coffee memang sedap. So kalau korang minat vanilla, coffee, korang minat black opium, korang minat Sea Intense, korang boleh try Vanillicious. Good coffee fragrance or vanilla fragrance for the ladies, especially when it comes to local brand. So this one is Vanillicious. I think that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, let me know what is your favorite from the House of Amara. And kalau korang ada minat perfume lain juga, please just let me know down below. And ladies, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for staying until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave some comments, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more fragrance related content in the future. Always remember, love, power, and strength. I see you guys very soon. Peace.